So Arinsha and also Arav.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 2 more%. So we'll have a few things which is there for your Timo exam. So can you, I think so you can read the linear equations in one variable. Here we have two variable, linear equation of two variable. It has got two variables. One is x and other one is y. So please
Yeah.
read. Now, linear equations of two variable means equations have two variable. Each with exponent 1 is shown as a linear equation into standard form ax plus by plus c, and that is a standard form. The example is minus 7x plus y equals 8. Naturally, just said only to make you understand. The
Okay.
exam is online for TIMO. So let's see the equation. Thank you, no problem. It's my duty to say in which way the exam is. So the equation x is 7 in two variables can be written in the form. Everybody knows you will write the answer everybody says very good, that answer is right. The answer goes like this. That is the answer in this manner. X plus 0y equals 7 because y, the coefficient is 0. So the choice is B. Now we have the next question, please. Express the following linear equations in ax plus by plus c equals 0. You are asked to find the value of a and b. Actually, I'll say one question. The question I'll take is 2. That is x minus 5 by y minus 10 equals 0. So minus 5 by y, that is coming. So if I take the LCM, because it is in the denominator, this is not a linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c. If you want, I can say it x plus 5 into 1 by y. Since y is in the denominator, we cannot say for it. We can say first one The third one, the fourth one, we don't have, that is x coefficient, we have it as 0. Y's coefficient, we have it as 1. In the next case, it is pi x plus 9. There also, it is the format. Only the second one is not acceptable, because when we go for the second one, we will have x minus 5 by y minus 10 is equal to 0. That implies xy minus 5 minus 10y is equal to 0. Here xy is coming. That is why we don't take that case. So actually, if I can ask, I will ask as odd man out. Now, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in 2 variables. Permutation combination today. Who was asking? Can you say? Yeah, if I want, I can give it, but let's finish today this thing, then I'll go for it.
Hi, ma'am. Sorry for joining late.
No problem, no problem. If you want, I'll just make a correction after saying a few things. I'll go to the permutation combination. Next one, we have it in one-day cricket match. Raina and Dhoni scored 198 runs. Express this as a linear equation in 2 variables. So we will have Raina x plus y equals 198. That's right. Next one, we have it. Let's do it like this. Two zero is a solution of a linear equation 2x plus 3y equals k. Then the value of k is. Within a split of second, you can give me the answer. Everybody? You can send me the answer. Have seen the answers?
Ma'am, would you do for class 2 separately?
Yeah?
Class 2 separately?
That is yesterday, was that?
Okay. So today isn't it for class 2, right, ma'am?
Today is for seniors.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Seniors means it's from 8 to 12. Not 8, 9 to 12. 9, 10, 11, 12.
Thank you, ma'am.
Actually, it is said, haven't you? It is been given as senior in the message. So we have any solution of the linear equation 2x plus 0y plus 9 equals 0 in the 2 variables is of the form. So you will get 2x equals minus 9. So x we have is minus 9 by 2. So we have the answer minus 9/2 m. Now, can we have this question, please? So let's do this. 3x minus 4y equals 7. X plus cy equals 13. Will not have a solution. That implies when it doesn't have a solution, that means a1 by a2 will be equal to b1 by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2. So that means the value of c should be minus 4 by 3. The value of c should be minus 4 by 3 because the coefficient a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 when comparing a1, b1, c1. Then only we can say that it doesn't have a solution. Now, somebody was asking me, okay, how many of you needs permutation combination? Please say me. How many of you needs? You can just give me the message here. Is not equal to C1, C2, correct? Okay. I have a problem with geometry. So for somebody was asking, I'll see into the permutation combination just now. I'll come back. Somebody was asking me about this thing. I'll show it. Can you see the permutation combination? Hello? Is it possible for you to see? So if you want to have the question for permutation combination, if you want to do it, first of all, you have to know one thing very important. The thing is, which we call it in the name factorial. Now, you may ask the question, what is a factorial? Factorial is nothing but it is a product of n natural numbers. Yes, I remember Prabhupada Basu. I remember you. That's why I was just thinking. I remember Prabhupada. Product of n natural numbers. That is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, etc. into n. There also we have it like this. We can also name n factorial as n into n minus 1 factorial. Even we have n factorial, even we can write n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial, etc. Then the next case we have it. Now addition, there are two rules which we have to study. Let me teach it like this. There are two rules which we call it as fundamental principle of counting. This fundamental principle of counting, we call it in the name FPC. This FPC is taken into two ways. One, it is called the multiplication rule, and we have addition rule. Now I'll explain these two rules in a simple manner. Now I'll ask you a small question. Now this is a theater. It's a movie theater. In this theater, we have two doors at the entrance, and we have three doors at the exit. So my question is, one boy enters and came out. In how many ways it's possible? In how many ways it's possible? Correct. It is 6 ways. That is, you write 2 into 3. That is 2 into 3. That means it shows a sense of continuity or continuous. That is what one boy, that is what it shows, a sense of continuity. When it shows a sense of continuity, we use multiplication method. Second, in the same theater we are going to enter, same, we have 2 doors and we have 3 doors. The boy entered and sat for some time in the movie hall and came back. Came back or came out through excess. That means in how many ways it's possible? In how many ways it's possible? Just check it. There is a small action behind that. Not 4. He sat there for some time. That means both the operations are independent. Both the operations are independent. Independent in the sense, the operation which was completed at the entrance was completed 2 times, and the operation at the exit was completed 3 times. So that means it will be 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. This is the important factor. When they are independent of each other, we use addition method. And when it is a continuity exists in the sense, then we use addition. Then we use multiplication rule. See, addition rule. We have addition rule here. If there are 2 jobs such that they can be performed independently in m and n ways respectively, when either of the 2 jobs can be performed in m plus n ways. That is why they are independently performed. That is the reason. It is independently performed. He is not coming from exit. So that is very important. Please make a note of this, because in some schools they don't teach this addition rule. They only go with or means addition. Please make a note of this. Or means addition. For applying addition rule, number of ways should be mutually exclusive or non-overlapping. Or means addition and means multiplication. Please make a note of that. Or means addition and means multiplication. Now, one thing important is there for you to think. I just forgot to say that. The important thing which I want to say is 0 factorial equals 1. 1 factorial equals 1. 2 factorial equals 1 into 2, that is 2. 3 factorial equals 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6, because it's important. 4 factorial is 24. 5 factorial 120. 6 factorial 720. Up to 7 factorial, it should be there in your mind. Make sure that this is there in your mind. 0 factorial to 7 factorial. Okay. Next. See, the multiplication rule is coming. If there are 2 jobs such that one of them can be completed in m ways, when it has been completed in one of these n ways, second job can be completed in n ways. Then the 2 jobs succession, that is what called continuity, can be completed in m into n ways. That is what we have said. To and means multiplication. For applying multiplication rule events, should be independent. If between two process orders is possible, it will be also considered as a multiplication rule. This is an exemption. In certain questions, we have that. Now see, there are 3 roadways, 2 trainways, and 1 airway to go from A to B. There are 1 roadway, 3 trainways, and 3 airways to go from B to C. Find the number of ways going from A to C via B so that some mode of transport cannot be used. So we have to check it out. Now, how comes that? Now, see, that is also very important. The thing is, 3 roadways, 2 rail, and 1 airway. Here, 1 roadway, 3 trainways, 3 airways from B to C. Find the number of ways going from A to C via B so that some mode of transport cannot be used. We have to be very careful. As there are 3 cases, so actually, in this question, we have to be very careful. The reason for that is, see, from A, we have to go directly. So, rail, okay. Then by train, 2 plus 3, 5. Then airways, 1 plus 4. 3 rail is there, 1 rail is only there. So, we have to check it like this now. Let's do it. Roadway, train, airway. 3, 2, 1. Then here 1, then 3, 3. This is the format how they are having. So how many ways it's possible? Cannot be used. Same mode cannot be used. Same mode means railway cancelled. Then by train 1, 2. Here also. Then air. 1 air is cancelled. So the routes are 1, 2, 3. And we have 2. So 3 and we have 3 here, we have 2. So 3 into 2 equals 6. And the number of lines that can be chosen is 5. So therefore 3 into 5, which is 30. Because they said via B so that the same mode of transport cannot be used. So rail, in the two cases, train cannot be used. So we have a balance of 2 here. Train we cannot use, we have a balance of 1. Here we have a balance of 2. So 2 plus 2 into 1, that is 5. That is what we have used here. Here we have 3. So 3 into 6 into 5, that is 30. Next one. There are 10 true or false questions. How many sequences of answers are possible? How many sequences of answers are possible? The number of sequence of answers possible, you can write it in the form. It's very simple. We'll take it like this. 10 questions, each having 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. The first question to answer, second 2, third 2, fourth 2, fifth 2, sixth 2, 7 is also 2, 8 also 2, 9 also 2, 10 also 2. That means we have the answer 2 raised to 10, which is equal to 1024. Very good. Somebody has said that. Yes, that way also we can do it. 27 plus 3. This is also correct. There are different methods and different way of thinking. Next we have now cities A, B, C and okay, we'll have cities A, B, C and D are connected by a network of routes as shown below. In how many ways can a person go from city A to city D without visiting a city more than once? How many ways A to D without visiting a city more than once? Now, nobody has given it. A, B, C, D are connected. A arrow mark B. So 2 plus 3, 2 into 3, that is 6. Then directly we have 2 into 1, 2. Another method, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16. Next is 2 into 2 into 4, that is 16. So 6 plus 2 plus 16, which is equal to 8 plus 16, that is equal to 24. Yes, very good. Correct answer. That is 24. Because first root from A to D, that is 2 into 1. Then from A to B, B to D. A to B, then B to D. That is 2 into 2. Then from A to B, B to C, then C to D. These are the combinations. So the answer 24. Next segment. Let's 10 different color flags are given and a signal is formed using one over the other. Signal is using one over the other. One over the other. Okay. Find the total number of signals if exactly 3 flags are used. Exactly 3 flags are used. So when 3 flags are used, we'll have 10, 9, 8. 10, 9, 8. Very good. 10, 9, and 8. In the last, you can put 10 colors. When one is used, we'll use the next one 9. Then we will use 8. So the problem can be done into 10 into 9 into 8. That is 720. Find the total number of signals if maximum 3 flags are used. Maximum 3 flags are used. So we have 3 maximum 3 flags are total number of signals if maximum 3 flags are exactly 3 flags, so we have it. Maximum 3 flags. Maximum 3 flag means we have to put it. That is 1, 2, 3. That is the first one 10. Then we have 9. This is also 9. Maximum means one after one flag, 2 are repeated. So we will have it 810. That is what? It is 810. Yeah, 10C3, 10C3. We can choose like that also. That is what we call it as at least. But here I have not taken combination because it's a direct question. Since I have not used a combination because we have the direct question here. The section is coming the next round. Next one. There are n locks and n keys. n logs and their n keys in a box. Find the maximum number of attempts to make the right combination. It is always taken in the form n into n plus 1 divided by 2. It is common. It is taken as n into n plus 1 by 2. Because both the number of keys and logs are same, then we'll always take in the form n into n plus 1 by 2, which we call it as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, etc. plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the answer. Please write down the formula. Okay. Number of words which can be formed from the letters of the word miracle. Miracle. Here vowels may accompany the odd positions. Accompany the odd position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 1, here I, here should be A, here should be E. So when that is accompanying the odd position, vowels can be written in the form 3 factorial, and the consonants. There are even places are 1 into marked, 2, 3 even places. So the odd, that is 3 even places. So we will arrange, we have to arrange it. So when we are going to arrange, we have consonants M, R, C, L in 4P3 ways. That is 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial, which is equal to 24 into 6. 24 into 6 means 144 ways. You can arrange it in 144 ways. It is not combination, arrangement, permutation. Arrangement is needed. The second case, let's see. Same way, let's write M, I, R, A, C, L, E. We have even positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 vowels in even positions are 1, 2, 3. That is 3P3, which is equal to 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 3 factorial. That is also 6. Now, let's see this. Even positions are occupied. Now, the others 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 consonants in 4 places. That is 4P4, which is 4 factorial. That is equal to 24. So 24 into 6 remains the same, 144. That is 4 factorial into 3 factorial. Very good. Very good answer. Next. I'll give another one. Okay. The number of natural numbers less than 7,000, which can be formed by using the digits 0, 1, 3, 7, 9. Under the concept, repetition of digits are allowed. Please try. It is less than. So up to here it is possible. Correct. The answer is 374. Four boxes. This cannot take the value 0. So 4. Next 5, 5, 5. Repetition is allowed. Correct.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
I have a doubt. Why can't it be 250?
you cannot.
Why can't it be 250?
The reason for that is, now see, they have said less than 7,000. So it can have, but they have not, actually the question is wrong because they would have given as a 4-digit number. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If it is a 4-digit number, then only we can have this number. Actually, we have to convert. That is what I said. This question was wrong in JE. That's why I just kept quiet.
Okay,
The
sir. I
answer-
mean, all like even 3-digit, 2-digit, and 1-digit number together.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, sir.
Now, we'll go for okay. We'll have a question. Yeah. What? Wait. That we have done. This we have done. This one we'll do. The number of a 4-digit number strictly greater than 4321. Just listen to it. It is more than 4321. That can, here it is given 4-digit. That can be formed by the letters using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repetition of digits is allowed. Now you can go ahead. Which is greater than 432. So 1 digit. Oh. So greater than 4-digit means only 4, 5 is possible. So 2 chances. In this, we have a 1, 2, 6. 6 chances. Here also, from 432, we have to eliminate 3. Oh, it is greater than 3. There also problem arises. I have not observed that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
More than 3, is it?
Yeah, we have to subtract cases also.
And there also, now 3 means we can use, this is 4, we can use 5 in the first case. 3, more than 3. 3, okay, 3 can be used, 4 can be used, 5 can be used. 2, there, 2 can be used. Then 3, 4, 5. In this case, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4, 4, 3, 2. $96 is coming. That's wrong there. There's a small change in the question. The number should be greater than 4321. So repetition is not possible. So here in the first, we have only 2, 4 and 5 can be changed. That is 2 ways of filling it. In this, we have 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 ways of filling. About 3. Here we have a because we can use once again 3. Then we have 3. Even when we use with 3, this one. So above 403, 3. That is 2 cases exist with 4 and with 5. With the 4, that is 2, 4, 4 into 4, 16 into 3, 48 into 1. 48 into 1. So 48. Let's keep it there. The next step, when we use 5, 1, 6 into 6, 36. So 216 plus answer is coming near to 310. Is it right? Please
Yes.
check.
Has ma'am left the meeting?
What's happening?